Want to create your own personalized DeepSeek chatbot? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. First, open your browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type DeepSeek AI extension and hit Enter. Once the extension appears, click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Just click Add Extension. Within seconds, the extension will be installed and added to the top right corner of your browser. Now, click on the DeepSeek icon anytime while browsing. A side panel will open instantly where you can chat with your personalized DeepSeek AI bot. It works seamlessly across any tab. Want to make it even more personal? Click on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the panel. You'll see the Set Personalization option. Click on it. Type your custom message in the writing area and hit Save. Your chatbot is now personalized just for you. That's how you can easily set up and customize your DeepSeek chatbot. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.